I'm Elaine. I'm a community worker with a passion for delicious food and nutrition.
Hand washing is an important way to prevent illness and practice food safety. Wash your hands often, especially after coughing, sneezing or using a tissue, before and after eating, before preparing food, after handling raw meat, after petting an animal, and after using the restroom. When preparing food, it is also good to wash hands after touching your face, hair, cell phone, tablet, computer, or putting your hands in your pocket. I'm going to properly wash my hands here. I'm going to wet my hands with warm water. I'm going to apply liquid soap. I'm going to lather away from running water. I'm going to make sure I get in between my fingers, around my thumb. Up around your wrists, nails. And then you want to have your hands pointing down so everything's running away from your arms into the sink.
Eat well, live well.